is the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. But what is IoT? First things first, what is it? Is it like an actual thing, or is it like a group of things? Well, it's the network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data with each other over the internet. These devices can range from everyday items like smart thermostats and wearable fitness trackers to complex systems like industrial sensors and autonomous vehicles. Let's break down some fascinating facts about the Internet of Things. For size and growth, by 2025, it is estimated that there will be over 75 billion Internet of Things devices worldwide. That is more than 10 devices for every person on the planet. For diverse applications, IoT isn't about smart homes. It's revolutionizing industries like healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and manufacturing by providing real-time data, analytics, predictive maintenance, and more efficient operations. Interconnectivity. The beauty of IoT lies in its ability to create a seamless web of connectivity. Devices can work together autonomously, making our lives easier and more productive. Although this sounds very interesting, there are a lot of dark sides and downsides of the IoT. The Internet of Things has many concerns from security to privacy to complexity and compatibility and more. One of the most pressing issues of the IoT is security. With billions of interconnected devices exchanging data, each becomes a potential entry point for cyber attacks. Weak security measures or vulnerabilities in IoT devices can lead to unauthorized access, data breaches, and even compromise personal safety in some cases. Connected devices can gather vast amounts of data about our behaviors, preferences, and activities. This data, if exploited, can infringe upon our privacy. Issues like unauthorized surveillances, data leaks, and the sale of personal information to third parties are significant concerns in the IoT ecosystem. IoT devices come from various manufacturers, each with its own product protocols and standards. This diversity often leads to compatibility issues, making it challenging for devices to communicate effectively with each other. This complexity not only frustrates users, but also hinders the seamless integration of the scalability of IoT solutions. As we rely more on IoT for everyday tasks and critical operations like healthcare and transportation, the reliability of these devices becomes more crucial. Malfunctions, connectivity issues, or software bugs can disrupt services and impact user trust. Moreover, over-reliance on IoT systems without robust backup plans can pose significant risks during failures or downtime. IoT devices generate massive volumes of data continuously. While the data provides valuable insights for businesses and consumers alike, managing and analyzing it can be overwhelming at times. Without proper data management strategies, organizations may struggle to derive actionable insights or maintain data integrity. The rapid proliferation of IoT devices contribute to electronic waste, or e-waste for short, due to shorter lifespans, frequent upgrades, and complex disposal processes. Improper handling of discarded devices can harm the environment, and some benefits of the IoT include convenience. Imagine waking up to a house that adjusts its temperature and lighting based on your morning routine. IoT devices make this possible by learning from your behaviors and preferences. It's like somebody's serving you breakfast in bed with the correct light settings, with the correct ambiance and everything. I would prefer that. I don't know about you. For efficiency, in industries, IoT sensors monitor equipment performance in real time, predicting failures before they occur. This predictive maintenance not only saves costs but also reduces downtime. Healthcare advancements. IoT-enabled devices like smartwatches can track vital signs and alert medical professionals in case of emergencies. This proactive approach to help healthcare can save lives. Environmental impact. IoT plays a crucial role in sustainable efforts of environmental impact. Smart grids optimize energy distribution, while IoT sensors monitor air and water quality, helping us make informed decisions for a cleaner planet. Some challenges and considerations. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. Security and privacy concerns are paramount in IoT devices, and as more devices mean more potential entry points for cyber attacks. Additionally, data privacy regulations are evolving to protect consumers from unauthorized data collection and usage. In conclusion, the Internet of Things is not just a buzzword but a transformative force shaping our future, from enhancing our daily lives with smart home devices to revolutionizing entire industries with data-driven insights. IoT is paving the way for a more connected and efficient world. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for the vast possibilities of the Internet of Things. Stay curious, stay connected, and join me next time as we explore more exciting topics together. Until then, take care and embrace the wonders of technology responsibility. This is your host Arnav signing off. If you enjoyed this episode of the STEM Spotlight, please make sure to subscribe on YouTube, follow us, and turn on notifications so you don't miss another episode. It really helps out the channel and making more videos like this in the future.